So yep, it's been less than a week, and well, so far we're pretty much guaranteed $6,300. So that's not a bad return. Hey there, welcome to Super Stock Bros. My name is Ace, and today we're going to be going over the two plays that we made for the Road to a Milli challenge the other day, which are two Etsy credit spreads. Stay tuned. Alright, let's see where we're at. So you can see our two plays, these are actually ongoing. They're almost close to completion, but I still have them up on the board here until they are completed. This actually might extend further into the future if I have to roll over. But so far, it's going strong. I'll show you that in a second. But seeing here, we've actually moved up a percentage to our Road to a Milli challenge. It's actually going to get there pretty quickly at this rate, especially because it becomes exponential as we move along. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so what were the plays? Now remember, I was looking through all of the possible plays in my watch list. A lot of green throughout the last couple of weeks, and actually not too many entry points. So, you know, green's usually good, but I'm looking for the red days to enter so that I can actually get in on a low and then wait for a bounce. And we did that a little bit with Etsy. Etsy was at around like 196-ish, and it had just come off of a 201 high. Now, you know, I believe Etsy to be worth more than 200. I've said it many times on this channel. I think Etsy is a really good stock. It actually has great fundamentals as well. It's growth and fundamentals, and it's actually Delta variant proof, because even if we were to go into some kind of pseudo lockdown, Etsy actually increased their business through the lockdown. People found it online and they started shopping through it. I shopped through it many times myself for Mother's Day, for gifts for my girlfriend, for example. So, I mean, I think it's a great stock, and I'm really looking forward to playing it more and supporting the business going into the future. Now, what did we do to get into this play? Well, I waited for it to drop a little bit. It wasn't even too much of a drop. It was like a 5% drop or so. Actually, in this case, it was about 3%, and I decided to just go in for it because everything else has been green for the most part. I mean, look at this watch list. Like, things have been blowing up like crazy. We've seen GME and AMC come back today. We have had the Microsoft running for a little while, and actually it's come down a little bit, even though I would prefer it to be below 300 before I open up another play. But even at this range, it's pretty good. 302 is like almost the new low for its band. As you can see, it's actually around the 300-ish range. So this is actually pretty good for its band, and maybe we'll open up a play tomorrow. But right now we've used all of the capital that we have to open up Etsy plays, which I shall show you right now. So as you can see, we opened up this play, this Etsy August 27th. It's a 180-175 put credit spread. I explained how to open this in my previous video, and I got 74 cents for it, and I put 50 contracts worth. So what did we collect? We collected about 3,700, and our risk is 21,300. Okay, so that's not a bad risk overall. I mean, even if Etsy were to go bankrupt, I only lose 21k, and I'm making 3,700. Really, it's very low odds for this to happen. In fact, at the time of the purchase, it was 81% chance to win, and at this point, this is actually a 99% chance to win, while this one is sitting at around 92% chance to win. So these are basically locked up, and as you can see, our current unrealized profit and loss for the August 27th one, we basically have the full amount, and for the September 3rd, we're actually $3,000 of the way in, approximately, of the 5,000 that we're going for. So already we've pretty much locked up a crazy amount over the last couple of weeks. I actually opened this Etsy trade on the Thursday. So yeah, it's been less than a week, and well, so far we're pretty much guaranteed $6,300. So that's not a bad return. That's about a 20% return on our portfolio in less than a week. So again, we're doing great with our Road to a Milli challenge, and we're just going to keep on rolling. As usual, I'll put the plays that I made in chat, and for everyone to see under the Ace Plays channel, which I have been doing, as you can see. I posted this on August 18th for the Etsy 180-175, and then for the 180-250 and 175, I posted that yesterday. Like I said, that's made already about $3,000 on 20,000 risk. So not bad at all, not bad at all. All right, Stock Bros, so that's it for me today. You know, we're going to keep these plays going, and we're going to wait till they close out. I think they're going to get to 100% completion, so I think we're going to just let it roll. The only risk is at the end of this week, Jay Powell is talking at the Jackson Hole Symposium. They might say something about tapering, but honestly, I think it's not going to be too bad, and I do believe that's why the market has been super bullish over the last few days. I think everybody's going to think that it's going to be pretty smooth sailing. And you know what? Even when it is a red day, that's going to be the perfect time to open up some new plays. I'm going to be looking at Microsoft, NVDA, AMD, and of course our favorite Etsy. And until then, let's make those gains.